Ladies and gentlemen, I am honored to be here to debate Ethiopian interests in front of the international community. Thank you, Abiy, to debate in front of you in behalf of my country, the free and independent with its seaports, Eritrea.
I am here today to stress the need and wants of Ethiopian to have a sovereign port access.
There is one problem with that uninformed statement. Where are you going to get your sovereign port access?
Before the TPLF handed it over in 1993, it used to be ours.
Here is a history lesson for you. You officially lost access to our ports in 1991 and not 1993, as you alluded to. Why 1993 was the year we put the final nail on unionization coffin through referendum.
There are no documents showing Ethiopia agreeing to the cessation of Eritrea, but mainly the Assab port.
You are truly a buffoon.
How can you have documents for something that was never yours to begin with? Ethiopian cabinet or parliament should have signed off and the Ethiopian people participate on the referendum to separate Eritrean in 1990.
It's unfortunate I am standing here debating you. First, the referendum, which was witnessed by you and African Union, was held in 1993. Why do you think Ethiopians should participate on Eritrea's referendum or have the right to sign anything?
No. It was the process. Also, my friends.
Here is a lesson for you. Once the colonizers get defeated militarily, they lose any say on the countries they colonize. The same applies to Ethiopia.